Okay, so as you can see, these vegetables have been cooking for 10 minutes. I like to put these in before the chicken, otherwise I do like crunchy veg, but you'll end up with very crunchy veg. And I've just developed over the years, because I've had an ActiFry for several years now, that I just prefer the vegetables to be slightly softer rather than too crunchy. So I'm now going to add this beautiful marinated chicken here, the chicken breast, which has been marinating in yogurt, zero fat yogurt, so very healthy. And all the spices, which I'm going to share in the recipe card with you in my post on Lavender and Lovage. So although we've got the yogurt in there, we don't want too much yogurt to go in because it'll sort of clog it up a bit. So we're just going to put this in piece by piece, spoon by spoon here, like so. Try and separate it so it doesn't get too clumped up. Although I am going to suggest that you stop every couple of minutes, open the lid and stir this as it's cooking, as I find it much better. You can actually keep all the pieces, the discernible pieces, separate from each other. So here we have the chicken in here now. So we're going to close the lid like we did last time. And I'm going to set this for 15. So the recipe takes between 20 and 25 minutes, but they're quite big pieces of chicken. And I can always stop it anyway if I think it's cooked before then, and press the arrow and away we go. As you can see, the chicken is moving around now with the vegetables, and I can now just walk away, set the table, get all the accompaniments set up, the salad, the naan bread, and just let that cook quite happily in the background, which is one of the reasons I love this sort of form of cooking so much, apart from the fact it's really, really healthy.